This is dictionary exercise number 2. The first two parts are very straightforward. We're just supposed to create a dictionary, one called prices, and the pairs in our dictionary are going to be a string for the key and a number for the value. So this means the price for banana is $4 or whatever your units of money are, and the price for an apple is going to be 2, the price for an orange is going to be 1.5, and the price for a pear is going to be 3. We also have to create one for stock. This tells us that we have for bananas we have 6 in stock, for apples we have 0 in stock, for oranges we have 32 in stock, and for pears we have 15 in stock. And for number 3, we were supposed to loop through each key in prices and print out the key, its price, and its stock quantity. Okay? And it says we may assume that if a key is in prices that it is also in stocks. We don't have to do a test to see if it's in the key set or anything like that. So if I want to loop through the keys in prices, it's just for each key in prices.keys, and the first time through my loop key will be banana, the second time it'll be apple, the next time it'll be orange, the next time it'll be pear. And what I want to do is I want to print out the key. I'm using an F string here. I said you didn't have to use an F string. So you just have to have a key and then a comma. And then I want to print out the price for that key. Well, I go to the prices dictionary and I specify the key, and it will come back and it will give me the price. So if key is banana, I'll go to the prices dictionary, I'll go to the banana entry, and I will find the number 4. And then I go to the stock dictionary with the same key. So if we're on the first pass through the loop, it'll be banana. And so I look for stock, then I look for the item called banana, and then I retrieve its value, which is 6. And then I go back and I do that for apple, then I do it for orange, then I do it for pear. So I should get 3 lines of output. Now let's go to number 4. Determine how much money you would make if you sold all of the food in stock. So I'm going to take 6 times 4. That's the value of each banana. I'm going to take the 0 times 2. So I'm not going to make anything if I don't have anything to sell. I'm going to take 32 times 1.5. I'm going to take 15 times 3. So again, it's the same for loop. I'm going to go through every key in the prices dictionary. And before I do this, I have to set my total equal to 0. And then every time through, I'm going to take that key, go to the stock dictionary and find out how many there are for that particular key. And then I'm going to go to the prices dictionary and find out what the price is for that particular key. So the first time, stock sub key is going to be 6 when my key is banana, and prices is going to be 4, and I'll multiply those together, I get 24. The next time I'm going to have stock sub key is going to be apple, so stock sub apple is going to be 0 times 2 is 0. And then the next time through, key is going to be orange, and I'm going to take 32 times 1.5, and the last time I'm going to take 15 times 3. So if I add all those numbers up, I get 24 plus 0 is 24, plus 48 is 72, plus 45 is 117, I think. So if we run this, let's go ahead and run it. And let me see, we went a little too far. Okay, there we go. So here is the output from my loop here, where I print out the key, I print out the cost, I print out the quantity on hand. And then this is the only output from the second loop, because I don't print anything in the loop. I just do my calculations, and then when I get done, I print out the total. Okay, let's go on to dictionary exercise number 3. And actually, let's do that in the next video.